The HP T730 Thin Client is a solid choice for businesses seeking a compact and efficient computing solution. Powered by the AMD RX-427BB processor running at 2.7 GHz, this device delivers commendable performance for most office tasks, from basic document editing to more demanding applications. With 8 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes seamless, allowing users to effortlessly switch between applications without encountering significant lag. This is particularly beneficial in a busy work environment where efficiency is key. The 64 GB SSD provides ample storage for essential applications and files, ensuring quick boot times and rapid access to data, further enhancing productivity. One of the standout features of the HP T730 is its versatility in connectivity options. It includes multiple USB ports, DisplayPort, and HDMI outputs, making it easy to connect to various peripherals and multiple displays. This is particularly advantageous for users who require extensive screen real estate for their work. The build quality is robust, and the compact design allows for easy placement in any office setting, whether on a desk or mounted behind a monitor. Additionally, the energy-efficient design contributes to lower power consumption, making it an environmentally friendly option. However, it's important to note that the T730 is primarily designed for cloud-based applications and virtual desktop infrastructures. As such, it may not be suitable for users requiring high-end graphics capabilities or local-intensive processing tasks. Overall, the HP T730 Thin Client is an excellent option for businesses looking for a reliable, cost-effective solution to streamline their computing needs. Its balance of performance, connectivity, and energy efficiency makes it a noteworthy contender in the thin client market. Ideal for enterprises focusing on cloud computing, it provides a solid foundation for a modern workplace.